Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video, we are going to see a most trending design, which is a Ikkat Handloom soft silk sarees. All these are very beautiful color combination and a fast moving design. So don't skip this video. Now let's get into the video. This is the first color, a beautiful yellow with cross pink combination. All over the body, you have a beautiful Ikkat design and a rich jari work pallu in pink. And you'll get a contrast blouse. You'll have a small jari work motifs in the blouse as well. This is the back side of the saree. All over the saree you have this Ikkat design, a most trending design. And next is a beige with teal blue combination. So all these Ikkat designs are made in warp dye. While dyeing the warp, the designs are made. So it is a very different one, a very unique one in a soft silk. And it's most trending now. So please don't miss these collections. All these are double work quality. This is the back side of the saree, a very beautiful Ikkat design. Next is a green with peachish pink combination. A very beautiful green body and a pink pallu and blouse. All the blouses you have a small putta like small puttas in the blouse pattern. So if you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified. All are pure handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. Next is a peach with teal blue combination. All these are very limited stock, so do book the saree if you wanna book any of these collections. A very trending color combination, yellow with teal blue. So we do have video call facility as well. You can confirm the color before you wanna book any of these sarees. Do contact us for more details. Also, our shop is located in Sirumukai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well. We have more collections. All these are our own manufacturing sarees. So please do call us and get an appointment, and you can visit our store. Don't miss these collections. We are shipping all over India and we do have international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. Just please WhatsApp us the screenshot of the saree which you wanna book. A beige with pink combination. This is also a fast selling color combo. All these are very unique pattern in soft silk sarees. So I hope you like these videos. So please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections and support us. Also please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And next is a very beautiful pink with grey combination. All the sarees in this video are very beautiful color combination and designs. So we have more collections in this Ikkat type. So please do check our YouTube channel for more collections. And next is a beige with blue combination. So all these comes with a wholesale price. To know the exact price, please do WhatsApp us.